percent problems, when things seem tricky, we just want to keep track of the information, the numbers we're given, and sometimes set up a proportion. So that might be our strategy here, but the goal is to always figure out what percent do they want us to find. So let's look at this problem. It says here that Rowan raised $640 in a charity walk last year. This year he raised 15% more than he raised last year. How much money did Rowan raise this year? So last year, 100%, we can say, is the amount he raised. He raised $640. In other words, everything he raised, all 100% of it, was $640. This year, he raised 115% of that amount because it was 15% more than that year, which means 15% of that amount plus the original amount, or 115%. That equals the original amount plus 15% more of that amount. So really, we want to find 115% of 640, and that's 1.15. Why? Because, well, 115% is 115 out of 100. When you divide 115 by 100, you get this number, 1.15. Again, I know that because you move the decimal point 2 places to the left when you divide by 100. So if I take 1.15 and multiply it by 640, I'll find 115% of 640. Let's see what that is. 1.15 times 640 equals $736. So this year, he raised $736, and that's 15% more than last year. Now just be careful, when they say 15% more, they mean 15% more than 15% more than the original. So that 15% is out of this 640. So that's the relative term. 15% of 736, right? That's a totally different ratio and proportion. The 15% relates to the original number, 640. All right, hope that helps.